Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In our today's lecture, I'll be discussing about one important update that I want to share with you, that we have started uploading the free Linux and SQL course on our YouTube channel. Now on our YouTube channel, you can see the videos related to the SQL and Linux also, that is completely free of cost. The same course you can also get it free of cost from my website also, learnomate.org. There you can go register yourself and get and watch it free of cost. But now, like, all these videos are also available on my YouTube channel. Again, it's completely free of cost. So those people who want to start their career in the IT industry and you think that you are not comfortable with the SQL and Linux, now you can watch SQL and Linux and learn free of cost from the YouTube channel. We already created a playlist of Linux as well as SQL, and daily you can see that new videos will be added to that playlist. So it's completely free of cost, no registration, nothing is required. Directly go to my YouTube channel and learn this SQL and Linux free of cost. Once you learn this technology, you will be very comfortable with the path that you want to select. Let's say you want to start your career as a Oracle DBA, then you can easily go to the Oracle DBA. Let's say you want to go to the path like maybe Hadoop Spark developer, so there also you can start your career, because SQL and Linux is something which is very important technology. Whenever and whatever course you want to take in future, these are the fundamentals training that everyone should aware about it. So that is the reason, by looking to this consideration only, we have uploaded all this video on my YouTube channel completely free of cost. Again, like if you think that you want some live training, like YouTube video is definitely there free of cost, but let's say you want a live training. So we are providing the live session of Oracle DBA. We are providing the live sessions of SQL and Linux fundamentals also, and the cost is only 5,000 rupees. And if you want to take it offline, you can visit to our office in Pune location. There also we will give you everything with the same cost, and again it will be completely practical based things over there. So that is the reason which I want to share with you. So learn from this free of cost playlist SQL and Linux fundamental. If you want live training, you can reach out to us on our email ID, on our WhatsApp, and you can also visit our office in Pune location for the training related to the Oracle DBA, RAG DBA, SQL Linux, SQL PL, SQL, Golden Gate, anything. Thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. Bye bye.